Hey guys, today we are talking about the 3D body template and the 5D body template. What is the difference? Well, starting with the 3D body template, you know what that's all about because this is what we're all living with. This is a body that energetically holds a lot of density. We hold within the energetic template of this body ancestral patterns and ancestral trauma, past life stories and imprints, karma, interference. We're plugged into collective fields like the field of aging, the field of cancer, the field of weakness and degeneration. All of that stuff fills up this energetic template which informs the body. Now, that stuff is there for a reason. When it goes into the body, it's because it has been unaddressed at the higher, lighter levels. And finally, it drops into the body and turns into some condition that screams at us and says, hey, you've not dealt with this. Could you please deal with this? But in this dense form, things take a long time to work through. Also, the 3D body only holds between 20% and 40% light. Your average person will have 20% light in their system, and somebody who has a strong spiritual practice or pulls in a lot of light will have 40%. Before I did my conversion, I had 40% light, and I worked daily with bringing in light from different dimensions to fill my body and my consciousness, but still it was only 40%. What happens when we do the conversion is that all of these patterns that are latent in our energy body, in the 3D energy body template, they get integrated so that all the lessons from that content gets integrated. And then the 5D body no longer takes on all that stuff. It no longer carries your ancestral stories. It no longer carries the past life stuff that's unfinished. It doesn't hold trauma, and it holds more light. So what is that light used for? Well, that light is used to hold this new template and to hold higher functionality and to create higher levels of health, more radiance and beauty, more longevity, a more aligned sexuality. The whole system lines up completely differently. I know you guys know what I'm talking about because you've probably had an old computer that was a real pain in the ass to work with, and suddenly you finally upgraded to the new one and it just worked like a miracle. Well, that's what we're talking about. We're talking about a profound upgrade in the functionality of your body. So this is one of the key pieces that we're going to do on the Body Alchemy workshop, and it's a no-brainer, right? So join me on September 13th for this online workshop. There's a replay if you're in another time zone, and I will see you there. Okay, guys, bye.